So this is how you can hide the favorites in a Safari's new tab on the iPad. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Of course, if you open up your new tab and see all of the different things, you can scroll down to the bottom of the new tab and there is going to be the edit button. And when you click on edit, you can reorganize or enable or enable, disable, whatever the options which are available. So of course, the favorites, if you see them, they're going to have the green toggle next to it, so you can uncheck it, and the favorites are going to disappear. But, since we are here, you can literally just play around with the other options as well. Like if you feel like more things are cluttering up the new tab, then you can turn off all of them. You can even decide if you want to have the background image or not, right? So yeah, so many things. And of course, if you are using some of the elements, you can also reorganize them and choose a different order for them, right? So perhaps you want to have your favorites available, but perhaps not at the top of the list. And in that case, you would drag it down toward the bottom to switch the order with different elements, which you might like more. So that is the editing page, the customization of Safari's new tab. That's how it works currently. If anything changes, I'll most definitely update you with a new video. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll catch you later in the future videos as well.